In this video, we are going to derive the questions given in the 6th standard workbook. Unit 1, Numbers. The first question. The place value of 8 in the number 608146 is. We have to derive the answer for this question. First of all, we have to know the place values. 6 into 1, that is 6. So the place value of 6 is 6. Value of 6 is 6. Same as the place value of 4 is 4 into 10, that is 40. Then the place value of 1 is 1 into 100, that is 100. So like I said before, the place value of 8 is 8 into 1000 equal to 8000. So the answer is D. Second question. The difference between the successor and predecessor of 1 lakh is. Before solving the question, we have to know what is successor and what is predecessor. If a number is added by 1, then that is called a successor. If a number is subtracted by 1, then it is called predecessor. Given number is 1 lakh, so we have to add 1 to the given number, that is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh plus 1 equal to 1 lakh 1. Then predecessor, we have to subtract the 1 from 1 lakh. So we get 99,990. Subtracting this, we get the answer as 2. So option B is correct. Third question. The difference between the place values of 7 in 678072 is. From the question, we have to find the difference between the place values of 7 present in the given number. Okay. First, we have to find the place values of 7. There are 2 7s in the question. Let us find the place values. First 7 is placed in the 10th place. So we can write it as 7 into 10, that is 70. Then the second 7 is placed in the 10,000 place. See, 2 is in the 1's place, 7 is in the 10th, 100 and 0 in the 100th place, 8 in the 1000 place and 7 in the 10,000 place. So we write it as 7 into 10,000 equal to 70,000. Then we have to subtract 70,000 and 70. After subtracting, we get 69,930. So option B is the correct answer. Then fourth, the expanded form or standard form of the number 36108 is what? We have to find the expanded form of the given number. We write it as 3 into 3 is in the 10,000 place. So 10,000 plus 6 into 1000 plus 1 in 100th place, 1 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 8 in the 1's place into 1. Then 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 100 plus 0 plus 8. So we get the answer as 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 100 plus 8. So option C is the correct answer. Fifth question. My ATM password is the largest 4-digit number, includes the digits 0478 only once. My password is. From the question, we have to find out the largest number using the given digits. Okay, let's find the greatest digit from the given question. 8 is the greatest digit. Then after that 7. After that 4. After that you have 0. So the answer is 8740. Option D. Sixth question. Choose the correct ascending order from the following. Here 4 options are given. From the options we have to find the correct order. Okay, for that take the first two numbers and compare the every digit of the given number. See, the first digit of first number and the second number is same, so we can't able to compare these two. So go for the next one, check the second digit which is 6. 6 also same in both the numbers. So go for the next one. The third digit is 3 in the first one and 6 in the second one. So this one is less than 36363. So this number is less than the second number. Then we go for the third number and fourth number. Likewise, the first and second, the third and fourth number also, the first digits are same. So we compare the second digit. Second digit also same. So the third, so we go for the third digit. The third digit of the third number and the third digit of the fourth number are differs. Here, this one is greater than this one. So go for the second option. As I said before the first option, check the second option. In this, the first digit of first number and the first digit of second number is same. Second digit also same. The third digit differs in both the number. So this one is less than this one. So it was in the correct format. So we go for the third and fourth number. In the third and fourth number, the first digit of the third number and the fourth number are same. Second digit of the third number and fourth number are same, and the third digit is differs. While comparing the third digit of the third number and fourth number, we conclude 633636 is greater than 636363. So option B is the correct answer. Seventh question. Which pair of symbols should Prabhakaran use to make the given expression correct? In this question, there is symbol on the left hand side and an expression in the right hand side. First, we have to solve the expressions given in the right hand side. First, we have to take the right hand side of the given question and solve the numbers given in the bracket. While simplifying this, we get 16. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Right hand side you get 20 as an answer. Let's take the first option and substitute in the given expression. For square I wrote 26 here, minus for the circle I wrote 6. 26 minus 6 equal to 20. So we can tell this one is the answer. Option A is the answer. We try for the another options. For B, the value of square is 16 and the value of circle is 4. We get 12. This is not equal to the right hand side of the given question. So this one is wrong. Then go for the next option C. That is 25 for the square. That is 25 for the square and 15 for the circle. While subtracting this, we get, then go for the option D. Substitute the values of square and substitute the values of circle. We get answer as 4. So the three options are wrong and the first option is right. So A is the answer. Eighth question. Find the missing digits C, A, B. Two numbers are given. We have to find the values of C, A, B by performing the addition operation. First we have to add 9 and 8. 9 plus 8 we get 17. So keep it 7 as here and remaining 1. Next check what number is added to A to get 9. If A is 8, the answer will be 9. So C has the value of 7 and A has the value of 8. Next, then go for B. Check what number is to be added to 7 to get 6. If we put 9 in the place of B, Then we get 7 plus 9, which is equal to 16. Then we get 6 as answer and remaining 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. That is already written in the question. So B is equal to 9. Option D is correct. Ninth question, the missing number in the following. We have to find the missing number in the given question. We have to divide any number. That number will give the result of 1. So check which number will give the result 1. If a number is divided by the same number, then we get the result of 1. So divide 3456 divided by 3456. So we get the answer as 1. So option A is the correct answer. 10th question. A stadium has a capacity of 56,000 persons. How many persons should be seated in one row if there are 8 rows? The capacity of stadium is 56,000 persons. Okay. To find the number of persons in one row, we should divide the capacity of person by the given number of rows. So we write as 56,000 divided by 80. Cancel this. 0 0 get cancelled. 8 1 is 8. 8 7s are 56. So 7. Put these two zeros. So the answer is 700. Option C is the correct answer.